Hey guys, here's a video on our ceramic coating process. So we're going to walk you through each step. We're going to start off with the wash and iron decontamination before we get into the clay bar step coming up. As you can see in the next clip, the clay bar pulls out all kinds of stuff that's stuck in your clear coat. And the next step is going to be our paint correction process. So as you can see on the light, we have all kinds of swirl damage and haze in the paint, causing your vehicle not to shine the way it should. Next clip here, we have Josh doing the single step paint correction step. So as you'll see, he'll finish doing that, and then we'll show you a before and after of what the paint will look like after that process is done. So this is the completed panel of the one-step correction. So we have a huge difference. This car could have used a two-step to get a little further, but a one-step made a drastic difference from the panel to the right compared to the left. Next step is our panel prep, which is CarPro eraser, and that's going to get the panel ready for coating. Then after panel prep, we're going to be applying our coating, and in this case, in our level 1 package, we're applying our Cquartz UK ceramic coating to the paintwork. As you can see, absolutely stunning gloss in this Jeep. It's going to be super easy to wash, going to have years of protection and peace of mind when it comes to having your vehicle looking nice and clean. Ceramic coatings keep your vehicle cleaner longer and make it super easy to clean when it's time to clean them. You can call us today at 570-221-4240 or visit us on the web at dynastyauto-detailing.net.